Hello everyone, this is a 1996 Toyota Chaser Tour V DM1843. It is an automatic. It has Vertex front bumper, factory aero, raised wheels, BC Racing coilovers, tinted windows. It's pretty awesome. I love automatic Tour Vs because the turbo is so quick and snappy with them.
We'll just do a little walk around first.
Yeah, we might as well. It looks awesome.
It does. Show inside. Interior's super nice on this, huh?
Super nice.
Let's go ahead and start it up.
AC does work. Radio works. Oscillating vents work. Let's go.
Power folding mirrors work.
Yeah, let's go.
You want to pop the hood and trunk? We'll check that out. TRD grill. So sweet. Obviously put a battery in this one. This one's being sold as part of our premium inventory, so it's been fully serviced and maintenance. See brand new BCs here. Cool intake, makes all the right noises.
Yeah, those stainless filters are the coolest.
They do. So again, beautiful car. We'll check out the trunk before we close up this video, but we've seen a million JZX100 trunks.
Let's see how this one looks. Teamwork. Full size spare.
Oh yeah, looks good.
Yep.
Thank you. Sweet. But yeah, beautiful car, has all the right stuff. And if you have any questions or if you want more information,
Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.